All right, guys, now I'm going to do your video going over your independent work for today. So I'm not going to do it with you, but I just want to briefly go over it. So this is your example. You are going to study the example that shows how to write a fraction for parts of a whole, and then solve problems 1 through 8. Example, there are 6 equal parts. That is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We know we have trouble with those numbers. So anyway, we have 6 equal parts. Each part is 1/6. Each part is 1/6. There we go. So what that's saying is each one of these is 1 out of 6. Each part is a unit. It is 1. It is 1/6 in this case. 1/6. 5 parts are shaded. That's true. 1 is shaded, 4 is shaded, 2 is shaded, 3 is shaded, and 6 is shaded. So that means 5 of the 6 of the whole is shaded. This shows the fraction 5/6. Perfect. So what you're going to do is you are going to, on a piece of paper, or if you know how to write on a PDF, you can do that. You can fill this document out, you can download it, and then you can upload it to share it with me. Or, like I said, do it on paper and then send me a picture. You're going to tell me how many shaded parts there are. You're going to tell me how many equal parts are in the whole. When you look at equal parts, you're looking at the whole thing, this whole triangle. How many equal parts are there? And then, what is the fraction of the shaded parts? So you're telling me the fraction of the shaded parts. Same thing for number 2. Got your little vocabulary word right here. Talk about what a fraction is. It is a number that names part of a whole. Part of a whole. It is less than a whole. Then on the number line, you're going to shade 3/4 of the total length. If you have trouble with the number lines, it is my suggestion to you to draw a rectangle underneath it to help you. That always helps me. And then make 3/4 on the rectangle and then find the same spot on the number line for 3/4. Okay? This number line is cut into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So each part of it is going to be 1/4. You have to find 3/4. For number 4, you're going to shade the shape to show 2/6. It doesn't matter where you shade it. If you remember from yesterday's lesson, you can shade any of these pieces to show the 2/6. On number 5, you're going to shade 3 parts and then tell what the fraction is. So you would shade it and then tell what the fraction is. For number 6, you're going to shade 7 parts. Let me just tell you, for number 5, if you are drawing this out, you can use a rectangle. I never like to use circles. So you can draw a rectangle and then you can shade 3 parts. Count how many parts are in this. Make the same number of parts over here. It's just easier. For number 6, you're going to shade 7 parts. For number 7, this is like what I did yesterday. It is telling you this shape right here is 1/4 of the length. This is 1/4. This is 1/4 of the length of a rectangle. Draw the rectangle. If this is 1/4, what would the rest of the rectangle look like? This is a hard one. This is a higher order thinking question. Same thing for number 8. This right here is 1/4. This is 1/4 of a rectangle. Draw the rectangle, show the parts, and then you would shade 2/4. You may have trouble with this, so I may need to talk to you at 1:30 to help you out. I hope this is helpful for you.